Can I sit here? Can I close the door? Can I? Could I call you tonight? Could I drink this cup of coffee? Could I? May I ask you a question? May I use your computer? May I? Now for do you mind if? Do you mind if we turn off the fan? Do you mind if I smoke here? For would you mind if? Would you mind if I opened the window? Would you mind if I turned the TV on? Would it be alright? Would it be okay if? Would it be okay if I took a picture here? And would it be alright if they read your book? And is it okay if? Is it okay if I take a break now? And is it okay if we come home late? So now, remember, for an informal situation, you can answer sure, alright, fine, or okay, or go ahead. Yes, sure. Yes, of course. Course, don't say cold, okay? Course, yes, of course. Not a problem. Now, if you are in a formal situation, you want to say something really politely, something really formally, you can say, be my guest, or yes, of course, be my guest, or certainly be my guest, or please do, or yes, it's my pleasure, yes, it's my pleasure. And if you don't really want to give permission, but you still give permission in a reluctant way, you can say, I guess, or it's up to you, or if you want, or whatever. When someone asks for permission, if you want to answer them in a polite way, you can say one of these ones. I don't think that's a good idea. I don't think that's a good idea. I'd rather you didn't. I'd rather you didn't. I'm sorry, but that's not possible. I'm sorry, but that's not possible. I'm afraid you can't. I'm afraid you can. Or unfortunately, I need to say no. Unfortunately, I need to say no. Or no, please don't. No, please don't. Or if you want to answer in a less polite way, you can say one of these ones. I don't think so. Or no. Or do you have to? And if you want to answer in an impolite way, you can say one of these ones. Absolutely not. Forget it. Or you must be out of your mind. You must be out of your mind. Would you like to? Up to that is the base form of the verb. Would you like to go to a movie tonight? Would you like to go to a movie tonight? That means, do you want to go to the cinema to watch a film with me? Would you like to have lunch with me? Have lunch with me. Have lunch with me. Would you like to have lunch with me? Number 2, do you want to? You can say, do you wanna? So remember, do you want to is the informal way of would you like to. So do you want to? Do you wanna go shopping now? Do you wanna go shopping now? Do you wanna play tennis with us tomorrow evening? How about going to the swimming pool? How about going to the swimming pool? That means, do you want to go to the swimming pool with me? How about watching TV? That means, do you want to watch TV? How about watching TV? Number 4, let's. Let's here, remember, it has to go with S. Let's, that means let us. That means we are going to do something together. Let's play soccer. After let's is the base form of the verb play or go. Let's play soccer. You can say play soccer or play football. Soccer is preferred in America and British people usually use football. So you can say football or soccer, okay? Let's play soccer or let's play football. Let's go to the, you can say go to the supermarket. Let's go to the supermarket. Why don't we have coffee tonight? Why don't we have coffee tonight? That means let's have coffee tonight, or would you like to have coffee tonight? Why don't we go for a stroll? We would be delighted if you could join us for lunch on Thursday. Number 9, please be our guest for dinner on Saturday evening. Now, would you like to have dinner with me tomorrow evening? For informal situation from number 1 to number 4, you can say, I'd love to, thanks. That sounds great, that sounds good, that sounds interesting, that sounds like fun, or sounds great, sounds good, sounds interesting, sounds like fun, or in short form, great, good, interesting, or nice. Number 3, that's a good idea, that's a great idea, or good idea. And for number 4, sure, thank you. Very easy, right? 5, that'll be nice, thank you. 6, it's very nice of you, I'd love to. Or number 7, I'll be glad to do so. Number 8, thanks, I like that very much. Or number 9, many thanks for your kind invitation, I'll join you. Or many thanks for inviting me, I'll join you. One more time, 1, 2, 6, kind of informal. 7 and 8, I think they are very formal, okay? So 1, I'd love to, but I already have plans. I really like to, but unfortunately, I'm busy then. Sorry, but I can't, I have to work. Sorry, but I can't, I have classes then. Sorry, but I can't, I have another appointment. 4, sorry, but I don't think I can make it. Sorry, but I don't think I'm free tomorrow evening. 5, I'm afraid I won't be able to make it. Or I'm afraid I've got something else on then. 6, I'm really sorry, but I have something else to do. 7 and 8, formal. Thanks for your invitation, but I'm busy then. Thanks for inviting me, but I'm busy then. 8, it's very kind of you, but I can't accept your invitation.